We'll guide you through how to make an email group in Gmail. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. A group email is where we can have multiple emails in a group, and then you can quickly go and email them without having to go and add them all to an email. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. It's great if you've got a community or a class or something else where you've got a group of people together and you want to go and email them all at once. So to get started with this, you need to go to the top right of Gmail. Go and press the Google Apps button. Then what you need to do is go and scroll down and you need to go and find contacts. As you can see here, go and click on it. Alternatively, in the address bar, you can go and type in contacts.google.com. Now, once you're here, you need to go and add the emails as contacts if you're yet to. So you can press create contact in the top left and press create a contact. You can go and give them a name. And then what you can do is go and type in their email. Perhaps you already have done this though, so otherwise it doesn't matter. But I'm just doing this as an example. So I want to rob.content@gmail.com. After you've gone and added them as contacts, then what we can do is you can come back to the contacts list here. You want to go through the list and go and start selecting the people you want to go and do this with. So I'm going to go and start selecting them now. So I've got a few here. I'll just do this with 4, for example. Once you've got them selected, you go to the top right of here and you need to press manage labels and you want to press create label. Now you can go and call the group what you want to. So for example, I may want to go and call this GuideRealm community like so. And once you've done that, you can go and press save. So that's it. Now, if we go over on the left here, you can scroll down and I can go and see these different labels here. You've probably got a lot less than me. I just have quite a few here. I can press it and I can go and see the group here. So this is the people I'm going to go and email all at once when we want to. If you want to go and add further, what you can do is come back to your contacts. You can go and select one. You can press the manage label button again in the top right, and you can then go and select it and it'll be added. Now, once you finish with this, we need to go and head back to Gmail just here. And now what you can do is you can go and start emailing that group. To do this is really easy. What you need to do is go and head to the top left of Gmail and you can go and press compose. Now, instead of having to type in all those emails one at a time, what you can now do is go and type in that label you just made. So in my case, I went and named it GuideRealm Community. So as you can see, I can then go down, I can see it here. I can go and click on it and that's it. It'll then go and add in those different contacts there. It's that simple. Then what I could do is I could go and type in a subject, for example, update. I could then go and write an email to them. Write the contents, add any files and add anything else important. And then when you're ready, what you can do is go down and you can go and press send. And it'll then go and be sent and that's it. So it's that easy to go and make a group email and easily go and contact people all at once. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got loads more guides on the GuideRealm channel and loads more to come as well.